What's up, guys? So I buy my first Hot Wheels, and it's McLaren, but I don't understand this part, so I do.
It's a McLaren 720S. So yes, our cameraman Jack is not here today. I unboxed mine a while ago. It's the Ford Focus RS. Now she's gonna unbox it on her channel.
So yeah, let's start. So it's probably so white because I don't even like white. I like blue, but no, that's okay. This is a supercar.
She doesn't even know anything about
Hot
them.
Wheels.
Yeah. She just wants to collect them because I have a lot of them. I have more. That's just the main ones that are my favorite. But I still have more.
So I'm gonna buy some Hot Wheels, but in case of white, I'm gonna find like blue one like my brother had. But it's super small, so I always bully it. Yes, so guys, bye.
Also, make sure to subscribe to her channel and my channel and our channel. So, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.